Hey, what is happening? Joshua Elder here. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about ClickBank for beginners. I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy affiliate income on YouTube without having to create any of your own videos whatsoever. This is a brand new video that I've never released before. I've got two other ClickBank for beginners videos that absolutely crushed it online. And today I want to bring you another episode of a ClickBank for beginners tutorial. So today we're going to be specifically talking about YouTube ads, making money with YouTube ads, and leveraging those ads and ClickBank products to make money. So first off, what you're going to want to do is go to clickbank.com. In the top right-hand corner, you're going to create an account. After you create an account, you fill out all the information and your payment details. What you're going to do is you're going to go to what's called the marketplace. Of course, first you're going to log in. When you log in, you'll come to your home page, and then all you need to do is just click on the marketplace right here. When you do that, it's going to lead you to this page that you're seeing right here. On the left-hand side, you're going to have all these categories, and all you need to do is go down and select any category that you want. I would prefer that you pick something that you're passionate about or just something that you're simply interested in. You don't have to know everything about the subject line, but in this video, I'm going to show you a case study of a specific product that converts well, that has a lot of buzz around it right now, that is actually newer and has great marketing assets. One of the things that you want to look for when you're promoting a product, especially with YouTube ads, is you want to make sure that there are video ad assets available so you can just run traffic straight to the video so you don't have to worry about creating the video whatsoever. You want to make sure there's a done for you funnel. So everything's pretty much done for you. All you got to do is take it and then set it up and then start sending traffic to it. So there's two specific products that I would recommend. One is, let me actually just go to the e-business and e-marketing section and go ahead and click on that. One of them is Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. It's a great program. You can actually go to the affiliate page by clicking the affiliate page right here. And you can see just by looking at this page, there are tons and tons of marketing assets as far as YouTube ads, Facebook ads, JV email promos. You can just tell just by scrolling down, he gives you everything that you need to crush it with his affiliate offer. Okay, we're not going to go into too much detail on this page about how to get access to these assets. It's pretty step by step. I want to get through this as quickly as possible so I don't waste your guys' time. But what you want to do is you want to look at a few things. Number one is you want to look at the gravity. Typically, a gravity score of over 30 is pretty dang good when promoting a product. Also, there's a caveat to that. If it's a newer product, the gravity is not going to be quite as high because there's not a lot of people promoting. That can also be a very good thing because the market has not been saturated with that specific product. What you'll also notice is this initial sell right here. You can see if I can zoom in here, $355.32 is what you're going to make every time this product is sold. So all you need to do is click on the promote button right here. Your account nickname is going to go right here. You're going to generate your hop link. And this is your own customized affiliate link. You're going to copy this, and then you go out there and you share it online. And when somebody clicks that link, they decide to buy and purchase, you're actually going to make money. You're going to make exactly with this specific product, $355.32. So what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be focusing on another product here. It's going to be called Commission Hero. And what I like about Commission Hero is it's a lot newer. It's a quality product. It essentially teaches people how to make money with Facebook ads and ClickBank offers. So it's really great for the ClickBank crowd. And the gravity is a lot lower. It's only 16.56 because, again, it's a newer product. It hasn't been saturated by a lot of affiliates promoting it. So when a product's new and fresh, it's a lot easier to sell. And you'll notice you're also making a great commission here. You're making $197.86. Most of the sales are actually going to be made on the back end. You have to understand this, that there is a relationship building process that takes place when people first make contact with the offer. They're not just automatically going to buy like they used to. It's going to take a series of follow-ups to indoctrinate people, to get them to know, like, and trust you, and then eventually buy from you. So to be able to actually promote this offer, once again, all you got to do is click the promote button right here. But to get access to the affiliate resources, you need to contact support@robbieblanchard.com. Let them know that you're actually interested in promoting, because actually if I click the promote button right here, it'll tell you that you need to contact Robbie@robbieblanchard.com, which is great. So all you need to do is email them, let them know you're interested in promoting, that you're motivated, you really want to get started quickly. And what they'll do is they will get you approved, get you your affiliate links, and that will be done through email. So the affiliate resources section is going to look something like this. Very similar to John Crestani's offer. But what's so cool about this, what I noticed is he gives you access to his exact funnel that he's used to, promote his offer. He gives you access to all these video resources you can download, upload as a Facebook ad, upload as a YouTube ad. So everything is done for you. You've got ad copy for your Facebook posts right here. He gives you the age and gender targeting of people that you should target, the countries, targeting and interests right here. And you can also download all the email swipes that you need. So a lot of this, you're probably not understanding, like what's an email swipe, what's a funnel. We're actually going to cover that right now, so you actually know how to use these assets. So let me give you kind of a 30,000 foot overview of what a sales process looks like when it comes to an online sales process. Very much just like an offline business, except online. So you have traffic, which the traffic strategy that we're going to be leveraging is YouTube ads, paid ads today. We're not going to be leveraging free organic marketing. We're actually paying for this traffic. What's so cool about YouTube ads, you can start with an ad budget of like $5. So what a YouTube ad is, and many of you guys, if not all of you guys, have seen a YouTube ad at some point online. One maybe showed up before this video, is simply anywhere between like a 30-second ad. It could even be 15 to 10 seconds, all the way up to 10 minutes plus, that shows before your video, and it gets people to click the video to go over to another landing page, another website. So, these videos can be shown before the actual video that you're watching is played, during the video, and even the end of the video. What's so cool about it too is somebody has to watch your video ad for at least 30 seconds before you're charged. And you're charged anywhere between like 1 to 2 cents a view, all the way up to 20 cents plus per view. So YouTube advertising is still incredibly cheap. So here's the way that it works. You're going to send traffic to your YouTube ad. Somebody's going to click that ad. They're going to go to an opt-in page. The whole purpose of an opt-in page is to get somebody to fill out their name and email address, right? This isn't just like a normal website. The only thing that's on a opt-in page is a headline, and then a place where people can enter their email address, and then a button. Now, what entices people to enter their email address is you giving away something for free. What's so cool is Robbie actually takes care of all of this. So you don't have to come up with a PDF report or a free video series or creating the landing page or anything like that. Robbie actually takes care of it. And the process looks something like this. So right here is a perfect example of a landing page that he gives you access to and allows you to use. Now, the way that these landing pages are built is using a software called ClickFunnels. What's so cool about what Robbie does on his affiliate resources page right here is that he allows you to download. Right here, you can see this download case study opt-in funnel. So as long as you have access to ClickFunnels, which I will put a link in the description, you can get access to ClickFunnels. All you need to do is click the link that's actually shown in this page. Once I download this right here, you can see, since I'm already logged into ClickFunnels, it's automatically importing his funnel into my ClickFunnels account. So you can see right here, I actually didn't have to create this page whatsoever. Robbie gave me the whole entire funnel. So this is the ClickFunnels funnel page right here, where I've got Commission Hero, the whole entire funnel imported on this page. So it consists of 2 steps, right? It has the opt-in page, which was this page that you saw right here. And then you have the actual thank you page right here. In this case, you'll notice that the thank you page is right here. So then on the thank you page, what you're going to do is you're going to lead people straight to the webinar. And the way that you do that is you take the affiliate link that Robbie gave you, and what you do is you go ahead and edit this page right here, and you copy that link. Again, the link is going to be on the resources page right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to jump back over to this page I just edited. You're going to click on this button, you're going to set action, and then you're going to paste the link right there. And the funnel is pretty much set up and ready to go. There's one more thing that you're going to need to do. I'm going to go ahead and exit right here. You're going to need to go to the opt-in page right here. And you're going to need to connect what's called an autoresponder. Now, ClickFunnels has tons of training. You can just go to Google and type in how to connect an autoresponder to ClickFunnels. And what an autoresponder does, if we jump back to this chart right here, is it allows you to capture names and the email addresses. Remember when we talked about the email box that's on the opt-in page? Well, when somebody enters their email address, that email address needs to be saved somewhere. It's saved in what's called an autoresponder service. And there's services out there like aweber.com, getresponse.com, mailchimp.com. I typically use like GetResponse or Aweber. You can sign up for a free trial, and then it's like $10 to $15 a month, depending on how many leads that you have to start. And then what'll happen is as those leads are being added to the email list, right after they enter their email address, it goes to an email list. What happens is they will automatically receive follow-up emails. And if I jump over to back to the resources page here, I know we're kind of jumping back and forth, and I scroll down here, you can download these email swipes, which are right here. And what I did is I took all these emails. You got email 1, email 2, and then of course you plug in your affiliate links in here as Robbie describes and lays out. So I'll preload all these emails into my autoresponder. So when somebody opts in to this opt-in page, what's going to happen? They're automatically going to receive these emails in sequential order day by day. Remember that we were talking about you need to build a relationship with this audience. That's the whole purpose of having an email autoresponder series, because a lot of people are going to go and watch the webinar and they're not going to buy straight away. And so what you need to do is have an email sequence that sends people back to the webinar for the people that didn't watch. For the people that did watch, there's other obvious, affiliate resources that you can send people to. So if I jump back up here, you can see like this, these different videos that show more proof. You can even include your own videos. You can include your own, text posts on Facebook. Then again, send people back to the product page where they can actually purchase. And so that's really how the process works. So what I want to do is, now that you get your funnel set up, now that you get your autoresponder series set up, and again, I don't have time to go through like setting up the funnel, connecting the autoresponder, loading up the emails. You can simply use, Google to research that. But once you have the foundation, you have this part set up, then all we need to do is we need to set up the actual YouTube ad. So again, there's tons of videos over here. You can download these videos. And essentially what I did is I uploaded these videos to Google AdWords. So what you can do is you can go to google.adwords.com. And if you have a Gmail account, you can actually create a free AdWords account, set up your how you want to process payments on your credit card, enter your credit card information. And then what you can do is set up a campaign and load up a couple of the video assets that Robbie actually gives you. And that's what I did right here. So once you get that done, then what you want to do is you want to target what's called placements. Okay, and if I go over to the placement section right here, you can see this is blank. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pick where I want my ads to show up on YouTube and which videos I want my ads to show up on top of. So we know this is a ClickBank product. This product's all about, ClickBank and affiliate marketing. What better way than to target ClickBank videos, just like this video that you're watching right now, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to use a tool called V-roll. And again, if you need to rewatch this video over and over again because we're covering a lot in a short amount of time, feel free to do that. But what we're going to do is we're going to use a tool called V-roll. You can go to vroll.com. There's going to be a link in the description you can check out. And I'm going to go to YouTube tools and video placements, and I'm going to type in Clickbank. And then we're going to give this a little bit of time to load. And then what I can do is I can select this first keyword phrase, which is Clickbank right here, and click the plus button, which will create a list of different videos that have the word Clickbank in the title. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save this. And what's so cool about this is you don't have to manually go to YouTube search engine and type in Clickbank and then copy all the video URLs. This is going to copy all the video URLs for us on videos related to Clickbank. So I'm going to go ahead and go to list now. We're going to go ahead and click on Clickbank videos, 240 right here. We're going to click on view. And then what we're going to do is select actions. You can see here all the videos right here. 6 ways to promote Clickbank products, Clickbank, Clickbank for beginners, Clickbank for beginners, Clickbank for beginners, right? You can see all these videos are all about Clickbank. And I'm going to go over here to actions. I'm going to select get links. And then I can literally copy all of these links of these videos, jump back over to my AdWords, and then enter multiple placements here, and then simply paste, and then add 240 placements. And then I can select save. Once I select save, then my ads, Robbie's ads in other words, will start showing up on top of these Clickbank videos. And then what you'll simply do is set up those ads to be set so those ads go straight to this funnel right here. So the funnel URL that you want to share is this URL right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click copy. I'm just going to paste it up here, but this would be the URL that you would set up your ad to go to when somebody clicked, and then people would go through the funnel, enter their email address. That email address would be logged into the autoresponder. They're going to begin to receive these, autoresponder emails that you preload from Robbie, and they're going to be sent through this sequence to the thank you page and then to the webinar. Yeah, Robbie gives you a lot of his assets that he used to help you get jump started, to help you overcome a lot of the barriers that people deal with when starting an online business. But once you build that relationship with people, you'll get an influx of sales inside of your Clickbank business, and you'll start generating results just like what you're seeing here. So if I go to the reporting right here and I go to paychecks, you can see this year we've done roughly $20,000. 2019, last year, $68,066.14. So with that being said, hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know by commenting and subscribing below. If you want to learn how to build a affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in complete detail, then go ahead and check out the links in the resources section below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.